Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it on your Instagram. Please wait a few minutes before you try again. So why you see this error and how you can fix it. So you just need, first thing you need to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, just check mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try to update your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.